welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Soha. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do shading of some shapes using only the supplies which all of you may be having. And guys, it is very easy to shade. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My handles will be on the screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, all you need is a paper, a ruler, a mechanical pencil, because I think sketches using a mechanical pencil is very helpful. Then I'll also be using a regular pencil, an earbud for the shading of small areas, and then a tissue paper for shading of larger areas. So let's start with the shape cube. So our first step is to draw a simple basic cube. So after drawing the basic cube shape, our next step is to draw some little lines coming out from the three corners of the cube, as you can see in the video. And then you have to connect those little lines with a single line. Now you have to consider that the light is coming from the left side and then the shadow will be on the right side. And then as per this, you have to give the shade. As the light is coming from the left side, you have to shade the square lighter, and then as here you'll get the shadow of the cube, then here this part will be dark. So I'll use my pencil for this. All you have to do is to hold your pencil like this way and then just fill the color in this cube. Very lightly. Then for blending those in, you have to use a earbud. And then this square should be lighter, so I'm using my eraser and then erasing. And then instead of using an earbud, you can also use your finger. And then as the light is coming from this side, you have to make it lighter, so I'm using my mechanical pencil's eraser, and then you have to make a line like this using the eraser. And then you can use your finger for blending those in. You have to make it light from the left side. Now you have to make this top part more lighter than this square. So I'm only using my finger for it. And then you can also use a tissue paper for shading. As you can see. And now this part you have to make the darkest, because as you know, the shadow will come towards the right side. And I'm using an earbud to blend those in. And then after your shading is done, you have to use your pencil and outline the whole object with it, and you have to outline it very darkly. And then now it's time to make the shadow of the cube. So for the shadow, all you have to do is to make some straight lines, and then the shadow from the edge of the cube should be darker, and then moving forward it should be lighter. As you can see in the video, do the same process. And then I'm using an earbud to blend those in. So as you guys can see that the sketch of the cube is done, and it was very simple. And then I'll also show you some more examples. So these are some of the examples. Here I have made a sketch of an apple, then here the cube, and then here is a sphere, and then here you can see a cylinder and a cone shape. So if you guys have watched my drawing book tour videos, then you might be familiar with this one, and if you haven't, then you guys should definitely watch it, because I have shown you all of my drawing and also my drawing books from the age of 4 till now. So you guys should try more shapes, and you should also do the practice of shading, and then only you guys will be able to shade these sketches. And yeah, I think that was it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you like it, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell besides it. And also guys, comment down below that do you guys want me to make a part 2 of this geometrical shading, and if you want it, then tell me in the comment section. I'll definitely make it for you guys. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because there I'll keep you updated with my videos, and also I am posting many of my artworks there. So don't forget to follow me. And also guys, we are very close to 100 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And yeah, bye guys, hope you like it.